We're trying to create, different things in Fort Worth. The music scene, the art scene is world-renowned, and the food scene. In law school, I started cooking. I really tried to lean into my passion there. The opportunity presented itself to open a food truck. So I did grilled cheese just because I thought it was something different. With Abe Fromage, it's really Southern cooking. It's comforting, it's comfort food. Everything is made in-house. For me, food, it's got a soul to it. It has passion to it. Music and food are two things that can take you back into a moment in time. So it was very important to me to be a part of that. It's about family. It's about gathering. Several of the recipes in my cookbook are from my mother. There are certain things that you just hopefully have not had before that you can say when you leave there, I've got to come back to this spot for this because it was that good, it was that unique.